Very excited to be bringing it to you, and we've got an exclusive gift, that compact, smart TX audio transmitter, as you can see just here. Paradise in Australia. My ears are completely contained inside these deep ear cups, and on my ears right there, and you can actually do all the controls through the headphones as well, which is really good. The JBL Tour One MK3 uses 40mm 12-band EQ, where you can tweak whatever you want, or you can use Personi-Fi 3.0 to get a tailored preset for yourself. Now it bases it on your unique hearing, more vibrant, club-like feel. So many options there, as be your gym machine, your in-flight entertainment system, your Tour Pro 2. They've really evolved the touchscreen as well. And to following your head, so the music follows, or you can set it to be all around you. It really is incredible and adds so much depth. It monitors your environment and actually intelligently eliminates both echoes and ambient noise from any direction. So it really does blur the line between headphones and hearing assistive devices.